This is the best fruit salad you will ever try, trust me. We're going to start by taking some sliced strawberries. Then we're going to add some grapes cut in half, some canned pineapple, leaving the juice to the side. We've got some fresh blueberries, fresh raspberries, and one sliced banana. We're going to add that as well. What fruit would you use for yours? You can customize this however you'd like. Now, remember that juice that we set aside? We're going to need that now. We're going to add a box of vanilla pudding to that. Stir that up using a whisk, making sure everything's nice and blended. But we're not done yet, because now we're going to fold in some Cool Whip. I've just got an 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip. That's going to give us a nice pineapple fluff. Once that's all blended, top your fruit with some marshmallows. Then we're going to take that pineapple fluff, covering everything, and just folding our fruit in with it, making sure everything is nice and covered. Now, you could leave it here, but I thought we're going to take this to the next level and top it with some shredded coconut. And man, was it a good idea. Do y'all like coconut, or would you leave it off? Let me know what you think of this one. It was delicious.